for live stream 362. We're here a bit earlier today. We are seeing a fairly, I wouldn't say it's an unusual amount of volatility at the moment, but we certainly do believe there are opportunities here. Decided to come to the market a bit earlier. I have to reset the account, unfortunately, due to the balance. So we're going to go into our settings. We're going to click on reset account. I'm going to reset it back to 600. Going to reset. And there we go. That's the account. Reset. Now, I'm going to have to look at this market. Look at it in a 15-minute. Maybe I go to a 1-minute. Also going to mark on a European session where I determine it to be, to begin. Right there. Look to the end of the Asian session. Look to the low of the Asian session. Going to mark on a Fibonacci from the lows to the high of the Asian session. I'm going to lock that in place. So that's that locked in. I'm also going to come over. I'm going to look at what I consider to be the European session. Let's see where the lows are. That happened during the US session. And we've got the highs. I'm going to mark that out to the highs. There we are. We're going to lock that in place. And that's that complete there. Okay. So I'm going to do 100 contracts. I'm going to go short. Going to take profit right there. Right at that 72. Target's been hit. Good first trade. Let's mark up these other charts here. Again, we're looking at the 7. I wouldn't be say it's 7, is it? It's about 2 a.m. Eastern. 2 a.m. Eastern. Let's see where the highs and the lows are. So the lows are right there and the highs are right there. So we're going to be marking on the Asian session. Right there. Just lock that into place. Profits through discipline. And, okay, pretty clear where, let's see, lows are there. So lows to the highs. And right there. Let's lock that into place. Let's go over to our friends at gold. Current range on NQ is only 117 points, high to low. Current range on ES, 20 points. On gold, a bit more volatility at 47.9. The vast majority of the move on gold has been to the downside. Seem to be having a bit of a rest day after the daily breakout on gold. Let's do likewise. We're looking at about 2 a.m. Eastern. Let's stick that on there. 2 a.m. Eastern right there. Let's look for the high of the range. Appears to be right here. To the low of the range. Right there. We'll lock that in place. We then come over to the European session, low of the range, high of the range, lock that in place. And we are ready to go. So we are ready to go. How do you lock this in place? Lock. Hold on. Lock. And lock. Okay. So those have been locked into place. Let's see. Wow. This isn't great, is it? It's a little bit dangerous, this potential short on gold. I'm going to take it. Let's take this short on gold. Let's see if our friends over at gold want to play ball. Let's see. Golly. Wow. We're going to have to think something up here. What am I going to have to do here? What are we going to have to do? I'll tell you what. We're going to have to scale out. Just in case this joker comes back. Can't afford to take a loss like that. No way, Jose. And you know what? It may even give me a put a stop right there. Let's take off 38. 38 contracts. Who knows? It may come down to this 99 too. Who knows? Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to add that other indicator. Let's find a chart to put it on. Let's find a chart. Here it is. Let's see. Copy. Copy. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Let's take those off. Let's paste that on. Oh no. Huh. Seen selling across the board here. Could promote buying. Hold on. This should be 75. Confirm. This should be 38. Confirm. Let's see. This, let's see, should be able to paste it over here. Paste it over here. Okay. That's too far. Well. Okay. Paste. And 1.5. And let's get the style right. Blue. Orange. Circles. Circles. Let's see. Copy. Paste. 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 I need to take that off. This looks like it's going to be a loser. A loser. You know what? Let's put that there. And that there. You know what? Maybe, just maybe, it's a little bit too much for I'm going to try and take some of it off. Got a lot of contracts on, so we are trading at a time of day we don't normally trade, so we're going to have to factor that in, reduce size a bit. So we've been filled there. Let's do 100. Seems it's coming down towards that target. Let's see. A dollar out is 602. You know what? Let's buy. We got 112 on. Let's buy 50. Confirm. Let's buy 50. Oh, come on, don't do that. So this should be 55. Confirm. And this should be about 19. Confirm. Let's go. You can see the market's chopping around here. As we can come to expect. I wonder where the account is. So we've picked up 9 and picked up 21, so we're up 30. I wonder if I should reshort it. Let's think about this. Be a reshort of 38. Reshort 38. Confirm. For retest is a 6.1. We'll reshort it. Where did we get out last time? Oh, we didn't get out. That's at the O2s. Who knows? This may be the low when it reverses to the upside. Who knows? Go for a break of the highs. Problem with this scaling out thing is it's going to result in lower average winners, and that's what the problem's going to be. Let's take it off. Why is this holding up? Oh, I've got VWAP. You're a brave soul trying to short through VWAP. Brave or stupid? You know what? That's put that at 75. Confirm. And this one can be a 150. Look at that movement there to the downside. Almost got to our take profit. Got to 99.6. Profits at 99.2. What are we doing? Come on, let's go. There we go. There we go. Oh, well, if you want to give me more profits, then. Okay. Cancel these pending orders. Certainly could have picked up more in terms of profits, but what do we do? Do we get some positive slippage there? Kind of. 66. So we're up 95. Oh, it's at 3. Oh, it's that blimey 10 o'clock thing. What's going on? Let's see if there's any, probably some news or some crap. Let's see. It is Thursday. PMIs 52 versus 51. Okay. The actual scroll banner is out of date. Let's see. How do I fix that? Probably need to go. Let's go update our scroll banner. Completely out of date. Completely out of date. Let's see. It is Thursday, the 4th of September. Thursday, 4th of September, NQ. Let's see. It's mixed. Let's see what's the calendar. We have ISM services PMI. Okay. Seems the next setup is going to be a short on our friends over at ES. Let's see. Oh my. Oh, get in, get in, get in. Oh, whew. I finally got in. Goodness me. It's not a great win, is it? Let's go. Oh my word. Yeah, target's been hit. Golly. Small gain. Small gain. Small gain. This candle's a lot bigger than I wanted it to be. Oh well.